Configuration cache gets a couple of updates in Gradle 9, and we are also making it the preferred mode of running Gradle. As a quick primer, whenever you run tasks, Gradle does a couple of things. First of all, it looks at the structure of your build on disk and figures out what the projects are there. Then it configures the projects, defines the tasks you requested, and later builds the work graph that defines the actual work that's going to happen during the execution to provide the results you requested. When you run with configuration cache, Gradle also tracks any build inputs that are being read during configuration so that the work graph that is being produced could be cached and later reused. When you later run the same tasks again with configuration cache, you can skip the configuration phase entirely and go directly to the execution. This is one of the main benefits of configuration cache, and this is why we're very excited for it to be used by more users. Configuration cache became stable in Gradle 8.1, and since then we delivered the continuous stream of improvements in the areas of reliability and usability to make adoption of configuration cache as easy as possible. As it reaches this level of maturity, in Gradle 9 we are making it the preferred mode of running Gradle. And we have a goal of enabling configuration cache by default in Gradle 10.